Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram network request failed please try again later error on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. In my point of view, this is not a technical error. To fix this issue, first of all we have to check our internet connection. Open YouTube app and check your internet is working or not. And also refresh Wi-Fi. For that, simple launch settings and disconnect from Wi-Fi, and also unplug the Wi-Fi router for a couple of minutes, then plug it back and reconnect to Wi-Fi. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solution to fix this issue. Number 2, tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Now check the list. Is there any update available for WhatsApp? If there is, then tap update to update WhatsApp. Now we go for solution number 3. First launch settings, then we have to tap on general and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Finally we go for solution number 4. First launch settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage. Enter iPhone storage. Find and tap on Instagram. Now tap offload app and tap again offload app. After that, force close the setting app and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the force restart, launch App Store and re-download Instagram. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.